Hello guys. We are doing the rainy update. So here's the items. I'm very late to this update. I have played it. I'm just very late to make a video about it because I forgot to. So here are the cosmetics. The pink bunny, the blue bunny, the yellow or orange bunny, that cappy egg, golden boots. I hate these. I like these. I like those. I like these. Ooh, and well, the boots. I know if you hold your controllers by your straps, they go down for real, like a real boots. So my combo. No, I can't do that anymore. Okay, so earlier in the update when it just came out, I would have my Lucky Clover and this. When like the update straight up came out, like the exact time it came out, like 10 minutes, like 2 minutes I played after. And I could use the Lucky Clover too, but I guess you can't anymore. Well, this would be my combo. I need to take a video for the first part of it. Okay, that's good, right? Okay, that's gonna be the picture for the video. Enjoy it. Oh crap, did I do it with the yellow boots? Damn it! Did I? Dang it! That's the yellow ones. I need blue ones with that. And that. Okay. Now go. Okay, that's a good picture. Gonna use that, edit it, add some text. I did see this. Can you put on the boots? See like how paper thin they are? Just paper thin boots. Paper thin. So we have a lot of new cosmetics, generally. As you can see, we have, so what we have basically, got that, we got that. And look, my heart, it's so cool. The golden boots, the blue boots, the yellow boots, we get that. We get the Caillou hat, the full Caillou set. Yeah, I like that. Oh, the update's cool. We have more people in this lobby. They're doing a server rating. I just joined the lobby because it's one of my lobbies. Make this a fan lobby, guys. 0985 is the fan lobby. Make it a fan lobby, monkeys. Well, that's the rainy update. It's probably gonna be in the same video as another video. I'm disappeared, so just gonna join a public zone. I have some clips that I'm just not gonna include. Don't.
It scared me. Why you asking you?
Why you monkey? Easiest day of my life, bro.
Oh my god, there's so many lava monkeys.
Yeah, because I tag one person, then everybody else gets tagged.
Why you
Literally,
mad?
just cause and effect. Literally cause and effect. Yeah, no. Damn, bro. Like, man, I'm it again.
My arm's kind of long.
Wait, other blue with the witch hat. What's your color code?
Come down. I can't.
Monkey.
Wait, are you actually stuck?
Blue doesn't have a mic or something like that. He doesn't talk. He didn't talk.
Alright, watch this.
I asked him what's the color code.
I was dead for a minute.
Eat my hand.
I was actually dead for a minute. Well, I just hit my head. Well, come down. No, I can't do it. I only got a little Catch me. Catch me.
Row. Row, raggies.
Catch me.
Okay.
Catch me. Catch his hand. Come on. Catch him if you can, boy. Catch me if you can, boy. If you can, boy. No. Faster, boy. Out of speed.
Just have to not be lava monkey, and I finally can go monkey mode.
Boy, out of speed.
Boy, on speed.
Guys, stop.
Damn it, it happens again.
Cheater.
It's
It's a cheater, guys. He's lying. He wants to come in the treehouse. Come on, Pink. It's the treehouse.
It's a cheater. He has long arms, guys.
I'm coming in the treehouse. I'm coming in the treehouse. The last time, he's just better. I'm coming in the treehouse. He's not just better. Let's play mini games. Yeah, he's actually better.
And you're the one using fish legs, buddy. Calm down.
What? So what's wrong with using fish legs?
It makes your arms longer.
Nah, you're just built different.
He
has legs. He's just built different. I'm not mad that you're... I'm not even calling you a cheater. Because you're not. What? I know you're not a cheater. Now shut up, you little crybaby. You shut up, bro.
You're too young to be on this game. You're whining, saying, "Oh my God, it's a cheater. He has long arms." And you're just
getting mad. Oh yeah, and guess what, guys? Guess what? I don't know if this kid knows this. Hey, Pink, look.
He's sleeping.
Please shut up. For me, hey, please. Pink, look. Let me show you. Please shut up. Oh my God. Pink, look. I'm gonna show you something. Look, I'm gonna take my controller. Alright, so Pink, look. I'm taking my controller.
Alright, there's a cowboy.
Give me your red Hey, Blue. Why am I up here?
Oh fuck! I punched the wall.
Tag him!
Logo.
Yes, he punched a wall.
Guys, why am I up this thing? Do I jump off?
Yeah.
Come to the chest. I want to show you this. I have proof Pink Monkey's not cheating. Guys, should I jump off this thing? Alright, so purple. Look, I'm gonna. Blue is the last one. When I walk, you would see this. See? I'm walking. Oh, my hands are teleporting because my hands would disconnect, and I'd be using
Give me your hands.
my hands would disconnect, and then it would.
Look, dude, look. Bro, where the heck is the last kid?
I don't know where the last kid
Where's
is.
the last
Did
kid
he just?
at? I'm
Is
so
he out of the
confused.
map, man? I know it's not possible. Oh, I see him right there. I know it's not possible. What if he mods?
This originally is how long
That
my
feels
arms
so
are.
uncomfortable. How do people play?
Yeah,
Oh, there he is.
I don't know.
Just
I
tag
didn't
him.
even do that.
Wait,
Bro, one time I cut
Not that hard, is it? Look, everyone can roll it.
Yo, Pink,
Can't outrun lava monkeys unless you're literally last.
this is how long my arms were originally. Hey, Pink, hold up. Can I show you something? Don't tag me. Promise. Promise you won't tag me back.
Oh my God! I get tagged first. Bro, man, I'm about to join another lobby. All I'm trying to do is run. All I'm flipping trying to do is run, bro.
I'm gonna kill you. Nice. Yeah.
Hi, Rad.
You suck.
Good morning.
I got juked.
Boing boing.
Hello.
I
Good
suck.
morning.
Good morning.
My Sean's voice cracked.
Oh my God.
I suck.
It won't be a stylish man.
I pass you like that, sir, but. Bebop and dada.
PDB buckley down. PDB.
I got the monkey that I saw.
You suck.
Fine.
Stylish monkage.
Oh,
I can't afford a
Oh my
monkey,
god, I'm so
Boing, boing.
but you're
literally
like monk
but gorilla tag.
upon the monk of a monkey go monk
Boing, boing.
monk
Marissa, this is.
monkey
Oh God.
monkey. Give me your monkey. I'm happy monkey, all for the love of you. It won't be a monkey's marriage.
Well, I definitely.
I can't afford a monkey marriage, but
Oh my god,
you're
that's me.
sweet upon the monk of a monkey of a monkey go boat for two monkeys. Monkey, monkey,
He's a blue monkey. You know what that means?
give me your monkey. I'm
I just had to.
Oh my god, I can't do that.
awful.
I just ran into him.
You.
Bro, this is insane.
James the pervert! What? I fucking didn't even tag me. Bro, I'm not trying to be a lava monkey and I'm it. Bro, man, I'm about to join another server. No one tag anybody.
You join another server?
Please don't tag anybody other lava. Please.
You do realize if you join another server, you'll just be lava?
What? Crap, you can hear me. Can you? Hello. Oh yeah, you can. Good. That's great.
Spicy monkey?
I'm not joining another server though. I want to stay in the
Spicy
same.
monkey down there.
I do like this server.
This is spicy monkey.
Man's like wall climbing.
How'd you tag me? Where?
Spicy monkey. Look at that spicy monkey.
Hello.
Ooh,
Look at that spicy monkey. Oh, that's
Spicy monkey.
Oh!
I said watch out. I said watch out, just saying.
Black, you should have watched out for your life. Red actually knows to move.
Better watch out. You better not cry.
Oh my god.
'Cause I'm telling you.
I will do. I'm always lava monkey. Oh, ah!
Oh, it's a plunger.
Roblox beans.
Oh my god.
Apollo fans.
What did I do?
Plunger boy.
Apollo fans be like, I want your bitch. I can't.
Why plunger boy?
Bro, I literally just said it's a plunger.
Well, he's plunger boy. Plunger gorilla.
That's all I said.
What? I don't care
you
that
getting
what
mad at
you
me?
said. I'm not mad at you. I'm just
Oh, okay.
trying to tag you. I just found you. But yes, I'm a plunger
No
monkey.
one wants to eat yours. You don't have any. I do have some.
Hello there.
Hi.
Hello there. Hello there, Black.
Ah, Mr. Potty
Hello
Catcher.
there,
This shot
you
again.
cow.
So sad.
I'm fat.
Get away from me.
Hello there.
No.
Plunger.
I'm sorry.
Plunger head is stupid. I know, right? He just targeted Black. Because he hates
He's not even black, bro. He's gray, right?
I'm
Right,
dark
cowboy?
gray.
bad.
Whoa, what the? You're not gray.
Like a noob. Oh my
You
god,
literally
you
look
should
gray.
belong back in Tutoria, boy.
Can you shut up?
Plunger is so...
No.
Plunger is so trash.
Fucking worse, bro. I tag you in like 2
Exactly.
seconds.
You're calling
Look, I
him
literally
trash. He
just
didn't
tagged
even
him.
do anything to you.
I was trying to make it...
I'm immune to jukes when I get juked too much.
No, it's freaking people.
Yeah, just him.
Yo,
People like him just make fun of me
you saw what these
and other people just for no reason when they're literally worse than you, but they say, oh, you're bad. And they're worse than you.
First get...
I said bad, but a man can't hear. I said bad.
Green.
They're like, you're bad, and
Not you,
you
not you.
are not that bad. And they just say you're bad, even though they're generally bad, and you are not.
No, I can't be happy, but what was that? Yes.
People, you know.
Excuse me. What?
You just
You're my target.
Game.
You're black.
Just like I targeted you, Gray.
You don't have the right.
Are you gray or are you black? Because I see gray.
Teach me how to play.
Sheriff hat. Or cowboy hat, whatever. Cowboy hat. The PBBB is the people I hate. Like PBBB just says, you're bad. Even though they're fucking worse than me. Like, holy shit.
I don't really. I'm
Monkey.
just trying to play the game. I haven't been on.
He's not that good. Don't worry. He's not that good.
Oh.
Oh, what? Who is it? Is it the PBBV? Is that the person that's black that's named
I haven't been
PBBV?
on in a week either. That's why I forgot how to scale back. And I've only been in here for 3 rounds.
Oh, it's that monkey. He's not that good. Monkey's not that good. Oh crap.
I know you're yellow, stupid.
Sheriff Monkey's not gonna get tagged.
Tail.
Neither will
My God,
I.
I literally just
Oh, he's right
scaled
after us.
treehouse.
Tree stump?
That's tag.
You mean?
Tree stump. Yeah, stump. I meant to say stump, not house.
So black. You wanna dab me up, bro?
No. Or do you just
Hello?
keep running?
Hello, Gray Monkey. Where you going, bro? Man, he's not black, bro. He's gray. Sheriff, are you gray or black? What?
Told you.
I'm dark gray. I'm like a very dark gray.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You wanted me to get you.
You kind of look like a kind of lightish gray.
Come here, faggot.
Don't know. Oh, faggot. Faggot came
Look at
over.
her stinky looking, booty looking. Oh, shut up. You look
What's your
like
fit?
a
Let me see your combo.
marbles that
Can I see your
fit in
combo?
a car on a
Okay,
sunny
yeah.
day
So you
for
got the
5 hours.
you got those glasses. A lot of people use those.
Oh, really? Now you're
Yeah. Well, my usual fit is this and skull mask.
So cowboy with skull.
Yeah. Where are you?
Yeah, like that. I don't think that looks that good. It just more looks like a not as good one. But I know what's good with skull hat.
Hold up, stand still.
I know
for a
it
second,
is.
Plunger.
Because this is my brother's combo. He has the golden hat with the skull mask because it perfectly fits with the mask. Like it perfectly fits in the middle. So the skull mask kind of fits with it, especially that it's a hat. It's not a face item. It's a hat item. So basically he wears it with the skull mask. It looks really good. So basically what he wears is a flower. No, it's the blossom tree branch with the
I messed up.
golden
Thank you, though.
mask and skull face.
You can't stop me.
Crap. Bum 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 bum.
Oh, shoot.
He didn't even get you. I did.
Right here behind you.
Bum 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 bum
Yeah,
bum
me. It's me.
bum bum bum.
I love
Skills.
It's so fun.
Monkey skills. Bum 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 bum
Also,
Is this called petting?
Blue.
bum.
come back here, baby.
Monkey.
No, it's because
Monkey.
competitive players
Monkey.
they want to
Monkey.
wreck kids.
No, it's because competitive lobbies are actually toxic. They're so toxic.
You have a point.
He's
You're
not
pretty
wrong.
toxic.
I come from.
No, I'm being chased.
I can't get them.
Crap, can no one tag me really quickly? Can no one tag Blue Monkey? I have to fix something. I mean, I guess I wish I couldn't get
Please,
tagged.
someone go after him. I'm running for my life right now.
No, someone don't go after me, please. Please don't tag me. No, please, bruh. I have to fix my carpet. Damn.
Green, you can Lucio run. That's why you're actually getting.
I'm literally trying to fix my carpet, and then just PVBB, the black monkey that tried to say I'm dog water, comes over here and tags me.
Dang it!
Stupid dumbass. I'm trying to fix my carpet.
It's gonna be one of you.
My carpet is legit
Who's it?
folded right now.
That's not that PVBB.
That
If it
was
was the
not on.
PVBB, I know he's gonna target me.
Oh shoot. The water is so fast.
Yeah, there's plastic in the bottom still, you fool. Go freaking turn it off! Get out of my room!
So fruity. You should have
God, what are you doing?
Gray, I'm gonna get you.
Burn the house down.
Gray, I will get you. I will tag you.
I love branching.
Damn, bro, you took my tag, bitch. I can't say the B word.
That's good.
No.
I was about to tag you.
Blue.
Hey. Dark gray.
Yeah.
Do you think I can branch good?
Yeah.
How?
Can I show you?
All it is
Bro, how do you expect falling off a branch to look good? Lion bro, how do you expect that to look good? Falling off a branch does not look good.
Wait, I have a question. Who said it looked good? Who said
How
it
are you
looked
supposed to act like that's a juke? Bro, like it doesn't even look that good of a juke.
good? You're welcome.
It's like you can't juke. So use the dog ones.
I was trying to pretend
Hello.
to be
The ones that don't.
I was trying to pretend to be a tree
Look at the
right
juke.
out in the open.
Wait, I'm not going to again because I'm tagging another person.
Where are you at? Oh, no.
Bro, stop.
Hey.
I'm trying to tag
You know
someone
what?
else.
It's time to run.
Okay, there he is. Got my eyes locked on my target.
In this lobby is Plunder Hat and Cowboy Hat.
Ah,
And now
I locked my eyes on my target and then I tag him.
So guys, we can all agree.
Go get
don't
them.
tag Kermit, okay?
You can tag everybody. I'm gonna get him. Hello? I can't find anybody. Hey, yo. Where are they? Okay, I see
I think I just
Top
mapped.
Hat.
Watch this.
Man runs into me. Where are you going, bro? Man jumps and off.
Down here, faggot.
Faggot.
Run, green,
Come
run.
here, faggot.
Get green. Run, green, run.
Come here, faggot.
Oh my god.
Where'd you even go, bro? Man's over here.
Come on, faggot.
It's not that hard.
Come here,
Faggot.
Yes, it is.
Who's saying faggot, bro?
faggot.
Faggot isn't even a word.
Faggot. Come play with me,
Where
faggot.
is he? Oh, he's up there.
Faggy, waggy.
Down.
Man, you said I couldn't tag you?
Faggot.
Just chase him.
Get bagged on.
Good job. You got him. Oh wait, Kermit. Your name's
Black.
This manage. I can.
Fire, there's so many songs
Okay.
about
Go
rainbows
black guy.
and what's
He's mine.
on the
Get away from him, he's
other
mine.
side.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
let dark gray tag black.
Yeah, get bagged on.
Is that the PBBV?
get him.
Is that the PBBV? Is it that the black PBBV? His name is PBBV, is it? Is it?
God dang it, I'm trying to match.
Or did that other PBBV leave? No, that Bland's still in here. PBBV, the black person, is still in the frickin' server.
He fell. Get him.
He just jumps off every time.
Keep getting stuck.
Jumps off. Bro, man only knows how to
Bro,
juke.
if
Like,
you're gonna freaking,
Get bagged on.
if you're gonna go on the climb up the wall, please don't just cancel what you're doing.
man just knows how to juke only.
I like how you said
No, bro.
last one. So it's like he's better than all of us. You won't
I
was it.
Oh, Sheriff Hat.
I like running with
Sheriff
my
Hat, are you gonna
on.
target me now for targeting you all the time?
Dang it.
Bye, faggot. Don't go for me, cowboy hat.
This marriage. I hit a...
It's funny how you
Oh, God.
get it. You can't
You're new? The things on your
Only
hands don't-
let Sheriff Hat tag me. Sheriff, try to tag Plunger. Please. Just want you to try to tag me.
You're stupid fag.
Can't even say faggot correct, bitch.
I'm sorry, but he left.
Stop being faggots.
Bro, it's faggot.
We don't use that word in this lobby.
Where's Mary?
Blue.
Faggot.
Hey, friend.
You're a stupid fag.
Got you. Here's tagline.
I don't have tag leg. No one left.
Come on, Blue. Let me see.
No one left. No one knows the basics.
Come here, fag boy.
Literally.
I stuck my arm through your body.
Pretty fag bear.
You're saying you don't have tag lag.
Real tag lag. See?
Yeah,
Red, you have
Blue, you
tag
have
lag.
tag lag.
No, it's just different.
I'm tagging.
It's skull mask.
Tag lag.
You'll tag me.
Bro, we got tag lag.
Okay, sure. Stand still. Let's see what happens. Stand still.
Until we get tagged from
No,
the
don't
lag.
tell him to stand still because then the game's gonna be like, oh. Yeah,
Yeah, he looks legit.
Yeah, I literally ran into that lava. I think there is. Yep, ran into
it's
you.
skull mask. Yeah.
Tag lag.
Daglon.
Wait for tag lag to be over. Just wait for tag lag to be over.
Please don't just swarm me.
Routing him.
Please don't swarm me. Maybe I have tag lag, but just
your energy.
don't swarm me.
I'm saving my energy when tag lag's over.
Man,
There we go.
There it is.
told you not to swarm me.
So many.
Bro, I said not to swarm me.
And what's up?
Just because there's tag lag doesn't mean you can run next to me. Swarm me.
Oh my god, I almost met Liam.
I did get a giant hand. No tags. That was such a seamless. I did not hear that
Nah,
tag
bro,
it.
That's not tag
Wait,
lag.
what
He's
the-
just goated like that.
Wait, how did Black now get tagged? What the? Why did Black not get tagged? Black should have been tagged for the round to end, but he didn't get tagged.
He did.
In
It
the
was
round.
tag lag. It wasn't showing.
Oh. So, but all I heard was just ding. Like you never hear that. You always hear a tag, and then ding. I just heard a.
Wall run the whole map with me.
I didn't hear a tag.
I'm not good at wall running. I can't.
Okay, it looks like I'm heading space by myself.
Only Sheriff Hat can target me.
There we go.
Sheriff Hat, you coming yet?
Why am I coming? Ow! My hand.
Dark Gray, come get me. Dark Gray, I dare you to target me. Do it.
Who's saying
Do it. Plunger.
That's saying it.
Me. Target. Target time.
Okay, plunger.
I want us to target each other when we get tagged.
Hey, Skullmask. Bitch can't catch me, fake.
Bro, is he saying fake and not bag?
Skullmask. Come here, fake.
Ow! Damn, my table.
Let me tag him. Hold on. Shut the fuck up for a second.
I got you.
Ow! Can you let me adjust my carpet really quickly? Don't tag me.
Yeah.
I literally need to adjust my
Where's
carpet.
the dude? White.
My thing is so
What's up, fake? What's up, fake?
Damn it, bro.
What's up? What's up, fake?
Bro, a top hat just tags me.
Fake.
Bro, middle of switching my carpet,
What's up, little fake?
a top hat tags me. The top hat tagged me.
Which one? Him?
I don't know. He just ran into me. I don't know. There's like 100 top hats in the server.
There's 3,
There's
I
more.
think.
Did you tag me? Oh yeah, he did. He just nodded. He said yes. The monkey said he tagged me. He just nodded.
Alright, I saw a gray go on the other side of Stump.
I know someone's wall running the map because he told us at the start. Who's to wall run the map with him? Yep, the Gray is wall running right now. What are you doing? Like a man can't wall run to the top of Stump, but he also can not run. Literally.
I need me some Doritos.
Oh damn! I'm it! Again, I'm gonna target you, Gray. They're Gray, you're not gonna get away. Monkeys! Monkeys!
Getting away.
Whatever you do, do not tag me. If you tag me, you're gay. If you
Tag
tag
Dark
Green, you're gay. Tag Dark Green, you're gay.
Yeah, tag me.
I fucking dare you to tag me.
Where'd you come?
Little bitch. You can't. What? No. I said cunt. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I'm a funny dude. I'm so funny. Hey,
Green, I don't care about you right now. Wait, don't tag Gray, don't tag Gray. Let me tag Dark Gray.
Shut the fuck up. You funny. Bitch. I'm so funny. Shut up, you cunt. Shut up, midget. Funny. Shut up, you faggot. Get your penis away from my fucker.
Hey,
faggot.
what?
You faggot.
Fidget? Did someone just say fidget? Fidget sucks.
Dick sucker. Fucking elevator climbing. Oh,
Dick sucker.
Hi, elevator climbing, huh? Huh? Imagine elevator climbing. Imagine that.
Oh my god, Gray, where'd you go?
Oh, pussy.
Man just
Wait, no, he
disappears.
didn't, because he's still in the game. Oh, fuck, he is? What the... Ah! Yo, he's all the way over here. How the fuck? All the way over there.
Oh my god.
You can see him over there. Someone tag Dark Green. Someone tag Dark Green today. I am Dark Green. And they're
Wait, did
Oh,
sure
man.
did Dark Gray get tagged? Oh, I'm just questioning because I heard a
What the fuck
tag.
is wrong with my speed boots, man?
Oh my god.
Cheaters a fucking lot of people. Dude, get your penis away from my mouth.
Oh my god. Don't tag him. I'm gonna tag him. Let him. He wants me to tag him.
I'm saying headphones, this server's kind of toxic, bro.
Yeah, I just joined this and I can
You guys wanna play mini games?
Damn, bro. Why did I tag him?
Hey, nice cool mask.
Took me
You guys
forever.
wanna play mini
And then prison.
games? My little cute darling. My mouth.
Bro, can you shut up? Everybody knows you're faking being a squeaker.
Bro, after that, I'm seriously tired. I don't think I've been.
Oh
that
my
tired
god.
after-
My dick.
Mini games.
A couple
I didn't tag you. My god, bro. Like I kept losing you somehow. Well, I didn't lose you at all. I just
Watch out.
kept having you get away, but I still saw you.
No.
Get someone else. Don't be kind
It's
of
racially
racist.
motivated.
Holy shit.
I thought you just said you were dark skin, not black. How is it racially motivated?
Because I'm mixed.
In real
Just
life?
aiming for the black ones.
No.
Gray, are you it? Get me, Gray. Get me, Gray. Get me, Gray.
Racist, nigga.
Bro, let Gray get me.
Don't come here.
No, because I'm playing the game. how it's
Super
supposed to
fire.
be.
Damn it. Shut up, bruh. Let Gray tag me.
You.
Yeah, bro.
Are you coming?
I like that Gorilla Tag has proximity chat. That's good for hide and seek. It's kind of like
Yeah.
clues for hide and seek. You can hear them breathing or when they talk. Because if you're like counting in city or something, or like in forest, you can kind of just hear them talk in like mountains.
Why every time it comes to shooting?
And you can hear them stepping in mountains.
I mean,
You just hear them talk.
get
So like hide and seek
Skull mask.
doesn't really last too good.
Where is he? He's over here. He's right there. Don't get jungle gym.
I'm not gonna lie, when I did have tag lag, everybody got juked.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. It's gray.
It's Gray!
Last round, gray.
Oh,
How
Gray,
did you
try to
like that,
tag
Gray?
me.
What do you mean
Just gonna
green,
have to
green, green?
Try
Come
and
here.
do it.
Me and you're in the same gang.
Hold up, I
Come
got it.
Reno, come over here. You don't walk, climb away. Wheel, running. Away. Don't worry, I even got close to mastery. I mean, I'm almost mastered scaling, but how you scale?
Ceiling.
Only I know how to do is zip line.
Blue.
I only know how to
Damn
zip
it.
line.
Good job.
No, zip line does it.
Fist bump, bro.
Brace your back.
Man, fist bump.
No.
Fist bump.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Look at that. Did the first zip line, but I cracked my neck. What? And I had to get surgery.
What the honk?
It looks like I was far away, but I'm moving too fast.
Oh, what?
You're basically motivating.
You're racist. Motivated.
It's really true about
Oh, I'm gonna end my video here. Bye, guys. I did go monkey mode.